Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about in a topic. What is an eSIM card? eSIM is slowly gaining traction with top phone brands and should make it easier to switch from one carrier to another or to add second line to your phone without heading to carrier store. You have almost certainly seen a SIM card, a thumbnail-sized chip that sits somewhere in your mobile phone telling it which carrier and what phone number you use. Now those SIMs are going digital or and moving your information from a static but removable chip to a reprogrammable embedded chip. Not everyone is happy about it. Airsway. A SIM card is a subscriber identity module required in a GSM, LTE, and 5G devices. It's a chip that holds your customer ID and details of how your phone can connect to its mobile network. SIMs started out around the size of postage stamp but have been getting smaller over the years as device makers reclaim more space inside their gadgets for other electronics, and eSIM takes the circuitry for a SIM. Soldiers directly are to a device board and makes it remotely programmable through software. The original drives towards eSIM came in part from the Internet of Things industry being teeny and not requiring extra room for a slot. eSIMs can be built into devices like drones, wearables, sensors, and location trackers. Where size is the of the essence. They can also be soldered into industrial equipment, where a SIM card may not be easily accessible because they can reprogram remotely. It means eSIMs can be managed in bulk. So say a company that runs 5,000 vending machines can switch its service plan or provided with the touch of the button from the headquarters. With smartphones, eSIMs give you much more flexibility. Is managing your service plan. A fully enabled and enabled eSIMs lets you add a second plan wherever you are roaming abroad. If you need a separate work line, it lets you switch providers with a few taps and swipes. And it lets corporate device manager change the service plans on the thousand of lines remotely all at once. It's a powerfully pro consumer features if implemented correctly. There are some minor consumers sides, though with the eSIMs, it's harder to switch one plan between devices. You cannot just swap the physical card, and can make it harder for you to temporarily remove your SIM if you do not want to be tracked by carrier. Google Pixel phones have had eSIM since 2017. Apple's iPhones have had them since 2018. And Samsung devices have had eSIMs in the Galaxy lines since 2020. The feature has also made its way to the more affordable Galaxy 7 to 23. Able jumps to support eSIMs only in the US-bound iPhone 14 has pushed eSIM adoption in a few directions. What does eSIM let you do? Simply put, eSIM lets you change your wireless carrier data or services plan through software one on eSIMs devices. In general, you can go to the menu or take a photo of a QR code to change your carrier on the fly. On the fly. Lines on the same devices, such as home and work lines, or switch between different plans depending on where you are. On phones such as iPhone and 14 and 15, you can store up to 8 eSIMs profile and to go to the gives you incredible amount freedom to switch and carry on the works. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.